Right, I went to glue these couple of bits of timber together that fell apart on me, and the old Purbon lid was blocked up, so that's a witch's hat arrangement. So all you do, put some gloves on, or you'll end up with black hands, and then get a little screwdriver. See, I've already cleaned these bits off the edge and in the thread, and all you do is get your screwdriver and pull it out, because it'll go solid on there over time. Right, so that's all you do to clean your Purbon up. Now this is a fairly old bottle of Purbon, and what happens when the moisture gets into the polyurethane glue, it sets it off. That's why it'll go off in the bottle when you don't use it. It'll actually go off in the bottle, and when you pour it, you draw moisture in. So what we do, we tend to store ours upside down, this container. Look, she's had a rough life, but we store it upside down in there so that any moisture that comes in, it skins on the bottom, not on the top. But occasionally this happens. So in this fella, it's already got skin inside as well. I'm just going to take that off, and it looks like horrible snot you pull out of your nose. Yeah, or looks like snot that comes out of my nose anyway. So.
Oh no.
So that's what we got. This is someone's let it fall in before, right? They've cleaned the nozzle before, or it's dropped out when it's been pushed in. That might be what's happened. They've used something from the top and pushed it in and created a problem. You're better off if you take the lid off, give him a clean up, and it's all clean, ready to go again. F20. So how old is it? Oh, 2018. Day 254, so it's only about a year old and it's still reasonably good. But you will, if it's been sitting for a while, that'll happen. Your glue's not off, you just got to clean him up. Alright, next thing we're going to do